Nowadays, Israeli air defense system Iron Dome is in headline after the world shows its capability against rockets fired from Palestine towards Israeli lands. Now a question is raising in India that does India need the Iron Dome to guard against Chinese and Pakistani threats? Many strategic and military experts in India have been toying with the idea of the country engaging the successful Israeli Iron Dome system. The employability of the system in a country like India has been debated for many years in the backdrop of the joint threat from China and its iron brother Pakistan. There are conflicting perspectives on whether India should procure such a system. Air Marshal Anil Chopra retired said, Iron Dome is a very good system since it has got both Israeli and American technologies. But the problem is that we have already chosen two other systems, like S-400 and NASAMS of the Americans. Also, we are working with Israelis on Barak 8, going for Iron Dome now does not make sense. If we had chosen Iron Dome in place of other systems, then it would have been a different game. He believes it's now difficult to transition to the Israeli system since India has committed itself to two other systems, with the progress being made with indigenous systems. When asked whether the Iron Dome's short range of less than 70 kilometers made it less viable for a country like India to defend its borders from adversary attack, the IAF veteran said India has got S-400 which is long range, then there are LR-SAM, then MR-SAM and finally the short-range SAMs like Akash and QR-SAM. India requires all three types of systems. Israel's requirement is from short range. They don't have a threat from very long range, therefore, it suits them. But the short range is not very short. It covers 70 kilometers or so, he adds. Undoubtedly, Israel has a different kind of threat than India, with its next-door neighbor firing unguided and low-range rockets, which is not the case with India. But could such threats become significant in the future for the country? So far, India has not required a system like Iron Dome with the kinds of threats it has been facing, especially from the western border with Pakistan. He admits that although India is not yet fully protected from missile threats, the systems are coming up which will fill the gaps, both indigenous and foreign procured. Thank you everyone for watching this video.